Another visual effects is static noise. If you want to create a noise on your video, drag and drop it. Here it is that. This noise has an animation. It's interesting. So if you go into its settings, you can access the settings here, but I want to access the settings clean. Just click on that. You can change the scale of your noise. You can change intensity of that. And you can change the speed of that. If you want to move slowly, you can use it, but you can make it faster. That's it. If you want to create, for example, old films, like with noise, you can create static noise on your video. Again, you can assign it to a specific part of your video, not all. You can see. And after this noise is ending and done. So you can assign to a specific part. It does not have is in, is out. I don't know why, but it's there.